I want a physician with small hands, so I won't shriek when he checks my glands. But I don't want worry to fester or linger. I just really hope that's his index finger. You don't have to die from prostate cancer. Have your PSA test done. It can save your life. Are you through?
Almost.
I don't believe I've done that.
Not with that hand.